Are you a senior who is interested in trying out the keto diet? In this video, we will share 5 useful tips and tricks to help you succeed on the keto diet as a senior. With the right guidance and knowledge, you can enjoy the benefits of the keto diet while maintaining your health and well-being. Before starting any new diet, it's important to consult with a healthcare professional, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions or take medication regularly. They will be able to provide personalized advice and ensure that the keto diet is suitable for you. As a senior, it's crucial to prioritize nutrient-dense foods that provide essential vitamins and minerals. Include plenty of non-starchy vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your meals. This will help support your overall health and provide you with the necessary energy while following the keto diet. Proper hydration is key, regardless of your age or diet. Make sure to drink enough water throughout the day to stay hydrated. This will not only support your bodily functions, but also help prevent any potential side effects of the keto diet, such as dehydration or constipation. Regular exercise and physical activity are beneficial for seniors following the keto diet. Engage in activities that you enjoy, such as walking, swimming, or yoga, to stay active and maintain muscle mass. Consult with a fitness professional to find exercises that are safe and suitable for your age and fitness level. Throughout your keto journey, it's important to regularly monitor your health and make adjustments as needed. Pay attention to how your body feels and reacts to the diet, and listen to the guidance of your healthcare professional. This will help ensure that you are on the right track and making the necessary modifications for optimal success.